on her Parkinson's disease, choosing instead to remain optimistic in the face of her illness.
So I told my husband probably about 5 years ago, one day they'll develop a microchip that they can implant in my brain and it'll, control the symptoms and help me manage this disease.
That day is a bit closer. Researchers here have figured out how to connect brain cells to a newly designed silicon chip and sort of listen to what the tissue is saying.
It's quite amazing feeling, actually. You see this, you think of this stuff, you dream of this stuff as a kid. Back in elementary, junior high, you always see these bionic hybrids, and you're thinking, wow, is that something that's ever really possible?
This microchip makes it possible for researchers to begin testing the effects of drugs on brain tissue. And in the coming months, researchers plan to look at brain cells taken from a patient with epilepsy and see how medications are working.
So we can grow brain cells on the chip so they become nice hybrids. They love each other, they hug and kiss, and their activity can be recorded.
Being able to monitor the chemical and electrical dialogue between brain cells and the silicon chip is a big step towards being able to one day manipulate the cells. And with that, there's the potential neurochip implants could provide therapy for a whole range of brain disorders. Everything from helping to operate artificial limbs to maybe restoring sight.
So I think the progress that is happening is now opening up the field whereby I think developing true bionic hybrid with implantable capabilities are becoming a reality.
The research is definitely giving Lorene Fillo hope.
And I think that's something you sort of have to live with when you have a chronic illness, that there is no cure for and no cause. If there's no hope, then it's hard to go on a day-to-day basis for sure.
And she's hoping the benefits for her won't be too far in the future.